In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a spreadsheet in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, we need to access Google Drive. So go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This will give you access to all the files stored in your Google Drive. Once you're logged in, we can create a new sheet. Look for the large, inviting New button that you'll find in the upper left corner of your Google Drive dashboard. Go ahead and click that button. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you want to find and select Google Sheets. When you click that, a new blank spreadsheet will automatically open in a new tab. You're making great progress. Now that you have your blank spreadsheet open, it's time to name your new file. Look over to the top left corner of your screen where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Go ahead and click on that text. It'll allow you to type in a name that describes the content of your spreadsheet. Giving it a clear title is important because it ensures you can easily identify and find your document later on. So, think of something descriptive but straightforward, maybe Monthly Budget or Project Tracker. Now that your spreadsheet is named and ready to go, let's dive into the fun part, entering data. Think of all the things you might want to keep track of. You can start building your spreadsheet by entering information into the cells. Just click on a cell to highlight it and start typing. It's just like using any other spreadsheet application that you may have used before. If you're interested in organizing your data, you can also format the cells. For example, you can change the font, style, or color of the text to make it more visually appealing. Just highlight the cell or range of cells you want to format, and you'll see options in the toolbar at the top to make adjustments like bolding your text or changing the alignment. And let's not forget about formulas. One of the great features of Google Sheets is its ability to perform calculations. If you're creating a budget or tracking numbers, you can create formulas to automatically calculate totals, averages, and much more. Just click on a cell where you want the result to appear. Type an equals sign followed by your formula and watch the magic happen. For example, typing equals sum A1, A10 in a cell will sum all the values from cells A1 to A10. As you become accustomed to using Google Sheets, you'll find that it's a really powerful tool, whether you're putting together simple lists or complex data analyses. The best part is it auto-saves your work, so you don't even have to worry about losing any data. So there you have it. You've successfully created a spreadsheet in Google Drive, named it, and even started adding data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different features as you go along. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful content, and happy spreadsheeting.